Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 7 best drone on Aliexpress under $50. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Introducing the Lenovo P11 Pro, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage with unrivaled precision and clarity. The Lenovo P11 Pro is equipped with a GPS system that ensures stable flight performance, making it the perfect companion for professional aerial photography. Featuring an impressive 8K HD camera, 4-way intelligent obstacle avoidance, and foldable quadcopter design, the Lenovo P11 Pro is built to capture every moment with unparalleled detail. With advanced features like altitude setting, optical flow localization, and brushless motors, this drone offers a seamless and intuitive flying experience. The self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization lens ensures smooth and steady footage, while the 5G high-frequency image transmission technology delivers real-time video streaming up to 150 meters away. Take control of your aerial adventures with the ergonomic remote control, featuring adjustable camera angles and gesture recognition for easy operation within a 150-meter range. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a photography enthusiast looking to explore new horizons, the Lenovo P11 Pro is the perfect companion for capturing breathtaking moments from the sky. This drone has 5 rating and 800+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your perspective with the Lenovo P11 Pro. Order yours today and start capturing the world from a whole new angle. Introducing the KY102 8K drone, your ultimate companion for capturing stunning aerial shots with precision and ease. Featuring advanced technology and top-notch features, the KY102 8K drone takes your aerial photography to new heights. Let's take a closer look at what sets the KY102 8K drone apart. The KY102 8K drone captures breathtaking footage from the front view, delivering crisp and clear images in stunning 8K resolution. Get unique perspectives with the vertical view shot, allowing you to capture the world from new angles. Elevate your photography with the above-the-head shot, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and panoramic views. The KY102 8K drone is equipped with 4-directional obstacle avoidance technology and optical flow positioning, ensuring safe and stable flights even in challenging environments. Experience crystal-clear imagery with the electric lens and 8K high-definition pixel remote control, enabling you to capture every detail with precision. Achieve smooth and steady flights with pneumatic loading and fixed height features, ensuring stability and control during your aerial adventures. Enjoy real-time image transmission in high definition, allowing you to view and share your aerial masterpiece instantly. Control the drone effortlessly with gravity sensing and trajectory finger drawing, making it easier than ever to navigate through the skies. Unleash your creativity with 4G stunt roll capabilities and easily control the speed switch for dynamic maneuvers and seamless flights. Take off and land with a single touch on your mobile device, giving you convenient control over your drone's movements. This drone has 4.9 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your aerial photography game with the KY102 8K drone, the perfect blend of innovation, performance, and style. KY102 8K drone, redefining the way you capture the world from above. Introducing the H16 GPS Drone, your ultimate companion for aerial adventures and stunning photography. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the H16 GPS Drone is designed to take your aerial photography to new heights. With a 120-meter remote control distance and 18 minutes of flight time, you can capture incredible aerial footage with ease. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the H16 GPS Drone's 1920-pixel 1080-pixel photo and video resolution. Experience effortless flying with features like one-button takeoff and landing, GPS precise positioning, and intelligent follow mode. No matter the weather conditions, this GPS drone's strong wind resistance ensures a stable and smooth flight every time. Illuminate the sky with the GPS drone's 4-color LED lights, adding a touch of magic to your aerial adventures. Take control of your drone with ease using your smartphone, thanks to the mobile phone control feature of the H16 GPS Drone. This drone has 4.5 rating and 600+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Get ready to elevate your photography game with the H16 GPS Drone, the perfect blend of technology and adventure. Introducing the new breakthrough in drone technology, the C10 Max. With cutting-edge features that redefine the way you capture life's moments, the C10 Max is your ultimate companion for aerial adventures. Imagine capturing your memories in stunning detail with 4K, 6K, and even 8K HD video recording capabilities. Equipped with electric tuning lenses and optical flow technology, the C10 Max ensures smooth and steady footage every time. Say goodbye to shaky footage with optical flow hovering and obstacle avoidance features, making your flying experience safe and seamless. Stay connected with real-time image transmission via the powerful 5G signal, allowing you to see the world from a whole new perspective. With gesture shooting, capturing group photos and videos has never been easier. Simply wave your hand and let the C10 Max do the rest. This drone has 4.4 rating and 2,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Experience pinpoint precision landing with optical flow localization, ensuring safe and accurate landings every time you fly. Elevate your aerial photography and videography with the C10 Max, where innovation meets performance. Introducing the V13 Mini Drone, the perfect blend of innovation and fun in a compact package. With its 4K HD professional camera and an additional 1080p dual camera, the V13 captures every moment with stunning clarity and detail. Equipped with 4G Wi-Fi FPV technology, the V13 Mini Drone allows you to experience real-time high-definition video transmission straight to your smartphone. Take full control of your flight experience with the easy-to-use app control feature, giving you the freedom to explore the skies with a touch of your fingertips. Designed for convenience, the V13 Mini Drone is foldable for on-the-go adventures, making it the perfect companion for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're a professional aerial photographer or just looking for a fun toy to enjoy with friends and family, the V13 Mini Drone is the ultimate gift that keeps on giving. This drone has 4.4 rating and 1,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. V13 Mini Drone. Unleash your imagination. Capture the world from a new perspective. Get yours today. Introducing the Lenovo P18 GPS Drone, equipped with the latest technology to elevate your drone flying experience to new heights. Featuring an 8K HD triple camera, optical flow positioning, and intelligent obstacle avoidance system prevent collisions and explosion. This drone lets you capture stunning aerial photographs and videos with unparalleled clarity. With functionalities like up/down, front/back, left/right turn, lateral flight, headless mode, and height hold mode, you have full control over the drone's movements for precise and smooth flights. Experience the thrill of real-time FPV with the Lenovo P18's Wi-Fi FPV capability, along with the dual lens and manual lens adjustment function, allowing you to switch between different lens modes effortlessly. Compact yet powerful, this drone boasts a size of 12 cm, 12 cm, 7 cm, making it the perfect companion for capturing stunning aerial footage anywhere, anytime. Designed for pilots aged 14 and above, this drone comes with a 4G frequency remote control powered by AA batteries for seamless connectivity and control. Equipped with a 716 hollow cup motor and boasting lens pixels of up to 8K, the Lenovo P18 ensures smooth and stable flights while delivering crystal clear images and videos. This drone has 5 rating and 140 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Lenovo P18 GPS Drone, where innovation meets adventure. Elevate your drone flying experience today. Introducing the E58 RC Drone, your gateway to a world of aerial exploration and entertainment. Compact, portable, and powerful, the E58 RC Drone is designed for enthusiasts of all levels. With its Wi-Fi FPV capability, you can experience the thrill of real-time aerial photography and videography like never before. Capture every moment in crystal clear detail with the E58's high-definition camera, whether you're exploring scenic landscapes or recording your adventurous stunts. Say goodbye to shaky footage. With altitude hold, the E58 RC Drone maintains a steady altitude for professional-looking videos and photos every time. Take control like never before with the intuitive app control feature. Maneuver your drone with ease and precision using your smartphone or tablet. Worried about obstacles in your flight path? Fear not. The E58 RC Drone's advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures a safe and smooth flying experience. No need to worry about losing your drone. The auto-return feature brings your E58 RC Drone back to you with just a tap of a button. This drone has 4.5 rating and 500 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Experience endless fun and excitement with the E58 RC Drone, the perfect gift for drone enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Get your hands on the E58 RC Drone today and elevate your aerial adventures to new heights. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.